episode, we will return to Part 3, Site Report, and Part 4, System and Events of the Smart Device Management Platform. This part of the tutorial is crucial for device management and removal. First, select Site Report under New Installation. The system will instantly display a list of current new installation reports, allowing you to easily view pending, unprocessed, and corrected data. In the display fields, you can choose which data attributes you want to view, and the viewed data can also be exported as an Excel file. Click the triangle symbol on the left side of the data row to view the construction details of that entry, including construction worker, work date, and notes. The data list display details include 18 types of data: serial number, device IMEI, street area code, section range, spot number, etc., which you can sort according to your needs. The most important part of the data list are the 5 function buttons on the right side, which are 1. Checkbox option for batch supported construction report photos. Create a parking space and bind it. Report data modify. Report data remove. Next, I will explain in detail how to use these 5 function buttons. First, select the first checkbox option, Batch Supported, which will bring up the Process window interface. This interface allows you to bind devices or delete reports in bulk for selected devices without having to bind or report one by one. The dialog interface displays the number of selected devices in real time, and you can quickly add 5 or 50 checked at once without having to manually check them one by one. After completing the selection, click Binding and a Batch Bind Parking Space window will pop up, listing all the selected device numbers. You can click the X symbol on individual devices to cancel them. After confirming the selected data is correct, you can enter the 8-digit execute code and click the Batch Bind button to bind multiple devices at once. Similarly, when you select Report Remove, a Batch Delete Reports window will appear. The operation here is the same as before. You can delete individual device numbers and enter an execute code to delete multiple reports at once. Click the second button, Construction Report Photos, to display the on-site installation construction photos for that entry. Click the third button to display the Parking Space to Binding window, which shows detailed information about the device, including road section, device IMEI, location coordinates, and detailed map information. After confirming everything is correct, you can enter the execution code to bind the device. Click the fourth button to display the Update Report Information window. When a device needs information updates or corrections, you can update it here. Similarly, these operations also require entering an execution code to proceed. Click the fifth button to display the Remove Report Information window. When a report entry is no longer needed, it can be deleted from here. If you need to delete multiple entries at once, it is recommended to use the first option's batch processing to save operation time. The second part is Replace Record, where you can view and manage operations after new device replacements. With an interface identical to the first part, clicking the triangle symbol on the left side of the data row allows you to view the construction details of that entry. The display fields in the data list are customizable, and you can sort the data according to your needs. This section's data focuses on device usage status, such as connection, alerts, status, and processing results. When hovering the mouse over the corresponding position, the content for that location will be displayed. Each entry has 4 buttons on the right side, which are checkbox option for batch supported, device replaced, report data modify, report data removed. The operation method for each option here is the same as in the first part. Similarly, each operation confirmation requires entering an execute code to proceed. Part 3 is Unbind Record, and Part 4 is Removal Report. These 2 sections display all device-related event records, with data displayed in the same way as Parts 1 and 2. The main difference is that they show the reasons for unbinding, such as road construction or parking space removal. Each entry has 4 buttons on the right side, with operations identical to before, which are checkbox option for unbind, report removed, unbind device, report data modify, report data remove, In device events, you can view all device-related event records. This section displays information such as total number of events, number of abnormal events, and number of abnormal events, and number of maintenance events. In the device event list, you can determine if a device is abnormal based on the event start time and end time. When there is no end time displayed, it means the device abnormality only occurred once and doesn't require special attention. When an end time is displayed, it means the device abnormality has occurred multiple times and needs special attention and handling. System events lists all operations performed after logging into the system with that account, including login IP, event items, event results, operation time, and related information. Finally, there is the system logout. This episode explained the operation methods for the site report section. The logic behind each detailed operation is consistent across all sections. Batch processing makes operations more time and effort efficient. And when combined with Part 4 system and events, it enables more comprehensive monitoring of device status. This concludes the content for this episode. If you have any questions or needs, please feel free to contact our support team. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.